I know last week we spoke about soil tests, and you said just combine all the samples you take into one test. Does it matter that I have very different areas as far as turf maturity? That could make a difference. So here's what I would do, VSS Smith, for a more mature lawn that's established, and for the most part, there's not really any problem areas per se. Then using collecting samples from all over and then using that to get your soil test data, I think makes a lot of sense. Saves you money, and for the most part, it's going to work pretty well. If you have a brand new lawn or a brand new section of the lawn, or you have an area of the lawn that has struggles. So you have like most of your lawn looks great, and you have one area that for no apparent reason, it's not a shade issue, not like a lack of watering issue. Just it for the most part, it seems like it's getting the same amount of sunlight, same amount of water, same amount of nutrient, but it's just not doing as well as other parts of the lawn. In that case, scenarios like that is when I would isolate those areas and do a soil test just for that. But that's more from a diagnostic purposes more so than how we generally use soil testing, which is a way to formulate your plan, your nutrient plan for the season, right? Or to measure the success of your nutrient plan for the previous season. So if you have an area that is brand new or is struggling or lagging behind other parts, there'd be no issue at all with getting a soil test just for that section. I think it makes a whole lot of sense because then you can come up with a treatment plan that is specific to that spot.